Hello friends, welcome back to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. So in this video we are going to see how to make a game reset system for flying bird game. So till now what we did is we trying to make an animation, we trying to make a movement little bit for a bird, for a flying bird. So after that animation ends, it makes some die animation. So next step we are going to make, once the bird is reach the ground, so we want to make, so we want to show that to the user that game has been end, and after the game has been end we want to reset the game. So we are going to do that mechanism. So I'm going to create a common script called game controller. So why the script is, this is a common script. It's going to have a centralized controller for all the script in the game. So let's create a one game object called GC and then drag and drop the script over that. Open the script. So that's it. So let's create UI text. So maybe let me import the TextMax Pro. TextMax Pro is nothing but it's a latest version for text. So it is like a crystal clear system. So the text will be somewhat, it will give brightness of output. So it is far better than normal text, which is Unity app. Okay, let's maybe let's have one layer. Let's have panel, and then inside that panel let's have text. Okay, let's have this text as back or whatever. Old text. Rename this text as center. Okay, let's have bg little bit dark so that user don't get issue with interaction. I think this is fine, maybe. Okay, perfect. So some other white will be best. Okay, so what we are going for, so we are going to have this system as restart. Let's have some outline, or it's not maybe let's have some other. Okay, this is enough. Let's have some green. This is fine. If you need some other changes we can do. I'll try to make some outline. Thickness. This is fine. Okay, so this is restart. Make it center, middle center, or middle center. Now done. So let's create one more text called game over. Okay, we change this color to white maybe. Okay, so this is game over text. you can't able to do anything. This is a restart. So we want to convert it as a button, so I'm going to have a button here. So I added a button. So once you press the restart, I'm sorry, I changed the system. This is game over. This is restart. I misspelled this one. Remove this from here. Restart button. Okay, once user press the restart button, we want to do some systems. We maybe let's change to a little bit dim so that they don't get any confusion where you want to click. That's why I made some alpha. This is perfect now. I'm going to change, remove the outline. Okay, everything has been set now. So game over panel, let's change to game over panel. Okay, perfect. So disable this. We don't want to do anything right now. Maybe this is the default. I'm going with 1920.1080. This is nothing but you are trying to make some default size of the screen. So I changed to 1920 and 1080. Okay, everything is set now. Anchor point, everything. Okay, done. So if you change the screen size, it will be fit perfectly for all the size without any issue. That's done now. Let me disable this right for. Okay. So let's have UI namespace Unity engine.ui and then drag and drop the panel. Public game object panel. It's game over panel. Okay. That's it. So we are going to get the data from the game or the restart text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one function, public void restart game. Okay, this is going to call from here, from this button. So let's drag and drop the main camera, because main camera is going to have our game. We have in GC, so drag and drop the GC and then call restart game. Okay, perfect. So in order to make a restart, you need to have one system called scene management. So you want to implement that. So let me implement using Unity engine .scene management. Okay, so it will allow you to restart the game. So scene manager dot load scene. Type of the scene you like to give here, you want to mention. So before that, go to file, build settings, and then make sure that you have a sample scene. Okay, I have a sample scene, named as game scene. Okay, I renamed as game scene. Okay, it has been changed here also. So in the double quotes, just change the scene. Perfect. So you have once user press the restart button, it's going to call from here to this function and it's going to restart everything automatically. So that's it. So let's try, but before that you want to check where you want to reset. Okay, where you want to enable the game over panel. Okay, so you want to change, you want to find when the object is touching the ground, right? Because once the bird is touched the ground, you want to you want to show the game over panel. So you want to check where it's colliding. So here is colliding. So I'm going to make one maybe how can we pause between the script. Like we have a lot of options. I'll go by default. Let's create a static variable, public static game controller script name, and then some names, and then you want to mention this is the variable. Perfect. Okay, so now the game controller has been handled. You can able to handle by other script perfectly. So I'm going to create one variable called public game is game over false. By default it will be false. Once you get the information from there, it will get true. So I'm going to make in collision, I'm going to call game controller dot sp dot is game over equal to true. So once it becomes true here, you are going to enable the game over screen. So that is a basic idea. So in update function, let's have is game over equal to true. Okay, or we can have in a shorthand is true. We are going to enable a game over panel set active of true. That's it. So it will keep on tracking. Whenever it's true, it will do. Okay, done. Or you can have active in hierarchy, whatever. So I'm going with this. Make sure that you have drag and drop the game controller game over panel here. Yeah, it's done. If it is checked, everything will be called. Okay, let's try. Make sure that you have saved the script. Okay, I forgot to do something. Let's see what the issues. Yeah, fine, it's working fine. So I'm trying to play the game, keep on tapping. So once user needs to trap, it will go to the ground. Game over panel is enabled. Let's see what happened. So in GC you can be able to see if game over is enabled. Since it touched the ground, it will be pass the data that to the GC that this is touch the ground. So after that, game over panel is enabled. So you can able to see the game over panel. That's it. So we'll try to restart now. That's it. So now the next game is started. So that's it. So you can able to create a game over system for this game or any type of a game easily and without any issue, and you can restart the game seamlessly without any issues. Okay, that's it. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please follow us and please subscribe us. I'll see you in next video. Bye.